is so good.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, we're just enjoying this delicious comida.
That's Spanish for food.
Today we're going to teach you how to make your own homemade pico de gallo.
Here's what you'll need to make this at your house. Cilantro, 2 limes, 4 tomatoes,
1 onion, salt. We should probably go wash our hands.
Step 1, chop the onion.
But don't forget the protective equipment. Are you ready for this?
Yeah. What was your favorite part of this Vooks?
I actually liked when it spoke in Spanish and when it told you that some potatoes can be a balloon. Oh, careful, careful. Okay.
Wait. Okay. Wait more. We still have more onions.
Step 2, chop the tomatoes. Flip it to the side. Hold it together. It should fall off into a bunch of little cubes. We need to get this craft done so that way we can eat some yummy salsa.
Step 3, cut cilantro.
You're gonna wanna chop about half a cup.
Did you know that some people think cilantro tastes like soap?
Do you like cilantro?
Well, I don't really know. I don't think so though.
Now you're gonna wanna pick it up and add it to your bowl. Step 4, add lime and salt to taste. I love in food comida that we get to learn about other cultures.
I like tacos and quesadillas.
And now we're gonna add the salt.
Okay, that's enough. It's gonna be too salty now. Step 5, mix and serve.
There you have it. Now you can make pico de gallo at home.
You can watch more stories like Food Comida on Vooks.
It's a kid-safe, ad-free library full of storybooks brought to life.
While you ask your grown-up about Vooks, we'll be here snacking. Yum.
Mmm.